Yeah, how's it going there, Pastor Daron?
Oh, good, thanks, Arnie. You're back.
Yeah, I took the flower to Doreen, and then she had some other jobs for me to do.
Okay,
So, happy wife, happy life.
that's right.
So, where we up to?
Well, I thought we might try and make a sheep.
A sheep.
That's right, a sheep on the farm.
Yeah, a few of them.
Okay, I'm going to make a woolly sheep.
Right.
So I got a white balloon.
Yeah.
Going to inflate it. Again, halfway up. Soften it.
Yeah.
Tie it off. Going to start at knotted end and make a head.
Right.
That's 2 bubbles.
Yeah.
Head and neck. And then, to make the sheep woolly, make a series of 6 bubbles like I did for the horse.
Right. Lots of bubbles.
1, 2.
So you're going to make them?
Yep. 6 bubbles. They're fairly big because I want to make a fairly woolly head.
Yeah.
And then I'm simply going to roll that second bubble through.
Mm-hmm.
And that sort of makes a woolly head for the sheep.
Yeah, that's a great woolly head.
2 front legs, 2 bubbles. Lock them.
Lock them.
My head came out, so I'm reforming the head.
Mm-hmm.
Comes out, that's okay, just reform it and go back.
Right.
Okay, the 2 front legs. And then what I've got left, I'm going to do a 3 bubble roll through to make a woolly body.
3 bubble roll.
That's right. 1,
1, 2, and 3.
2. Lock those 2 together.
Yeah.
And the 3rd bubble, roll it through. Okay, and then 2 more legs for the back.
Yeah.
Lock those 2 legs off to leave a tail.
That woolly tail.
That's right. And then I'm going to use my texture
Yeah.
to give definition to the eyes. So
Right.
it's very woolly, so you can see the face,
Yep.
the mouth, a couple of eyes. And there you go. There is the sheep.
Yeah, it's a beauty.
Like to take him?
Yeah. No, if you had have made him with only 2 legs, he'd be a woolly jumper.
You're bright today, Arnie.
Yeah. I wonder if he's a New Zealand sheep or an Australian sheep.
Well, seeing he's woolly and white, I think I'll call him a New Zealand sheep.
Okay. Yeah, excellent. Thanks, Pastor Daron.
No worries.